No, this is not a giant box of diapers. It is a giant box of my son's clothing. And I'm finally going through his closet. I've cleaned it out of all the pieces and items I don't want to keep for a future baby, and I'm actually going to be selling it online. So I put together this box a few months ago thinking that maybe I'd have time to organize a garage sale or maybe get this to a buy sell trade store, and let's face it, I don't have time for that. But I am more than capable of listing all of this online at my own pace in my own time and selling it that way. I am so happy today to be teaming up with Poshmark to bring you this video, and you know what? I'm gonna move this box so we can talk a bit more about that. So yes, I am so excited to be partnering with Poshmark to bring you this video. I have been buying and selling on Poshmark for years now, and I have purchased some of my favorite pieces from there. Poshmark is the leading marketplace to buy and sell fashion, yes, even for kids, and it is the easiest way to sell items to clean out your closet and still make money at the same time. So no need to drag all your stuff outside, battle the weather, try to coordinate with others to have a garage sale. You can do it at your own pace, on your own time. You can also find amazing deals and shop from thousands of brands and sizes, up to 70% off retail, and sometimes I think even more. So some of my favorite purchases recently have actually been these Ezpez mats and the little cup for my son. So if you're familiar with kids items, these are so hot and trendy right now, and they're actually just wonderful products. They stay on the table or any surface really well without sliding around, and they can be kind of expensive. I found them on Poshmark for a great deal. I'll put it up here on the screen because these are definitely some of the best finds I have found. And you can't really see them, but the jeans I'm wearing are good American jeans that I purchased on Poshmark for under $50, and I wear them all the time. So you can find all kinds of stuff on Poshmark, quite literally. They also have a great selection of luxury items and brands available, and you can get complimentary authentication if the purchase is over $500. So Mother's Day is coming up. Maybe you want to treat yourself. And if you haven't already, make sure to download the Poshmark app. It is so easy to set up, and if you can even like minimize this video and keep watching and while you download the app, and that way you can shop my closet, check out some of these items that I'm going to have listed. But I also have a variety of women's clothing in lots of different sizes, so maybe you can get something for yourself and your little one at the same time. If you happen to do that, please go ahead and find me on Instagram at Monica Freed, and you can tag me in your purchases and I'll share in my stories because that would be so fun. All right, I'm going to be organizing these items a little bit more into bundles, and I'm going to take you through that process because it's so easy.
Okay, here's a quick look of the bundles I'm going to be putting together. I think I'm going to break the Christmas down into even smaller bundles, or maybe Halloween into another bundle. But just a quick look, this is newborn Halloween. This is 0 to 3 month fall, 0 to 3 month, and then there is 0 to 3 month Christmas. He was actually in 0 to 3 months for quite a while, as you can see, and there's just a lot going on here. So I might break the Christmas definitely into 3 bundles, and then Halloween maybe into 2. This is a 3 to 6 month set that I had packed away, forgot we even had, and then he had outgrown it by the time I found it. So this is all new with tags. And there's a lot going on here. There's even still more behind me, but my tabletop is full. I'm going to switch cameras and then video myself taking photos of this and how I take photos for Poshmark, and I'm just going to do it here on my tabletop with a really simple background so you can see what that looks like in my process. Okay, here we are at my Poshmark closet, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to list these items. So I've actually already uploaded the items I photographed into my drafts. So I'm going to click here on sell, and here you can see I have 11 drafts, and these are all the drafts that I have made so far based on the photos I took earlier. So I've uploaded the photos, which is pretty self-explanatory. Let me go ahead and click on this here. You can see all the photos of these items, and so of course here's my main photo, but I took some photos of the sizes as well. I tried to take as many as I could, and just some overall like what the items might look like, where, etc. Especially like this piece is a vintage one, and so I tried to show the tag of this one, and there you can see just a few more tags. Okay, so again, I've started this, so here's the title I put in. So this is 0 to 3 month baby infant 8-piece Christmas winter clothing bundle. So then I go into a little bit more detail here and show that there are 3 fleece sleepers, 3 long sleeve bodysuits, onesies, and 2 pairs of pants. So those are just kind of an overview of what description I would put in. Some pieces may have some washwear. There was nothing that was stained, so I'm not going to put that in there right now. But if I get a question about it, of course I'll answer it. Now I'm going to go into the category. I'm going to go to kids, and then, okay, there's not really a bundle option. Maybe just, I'm going to go with matching sets. And size, I'm going to put 0 to 3 months, baby, brand. I don't actually have to fill in brand. I'm going to leave that blank actually for now. I'm going to put red and blue, done. None of them are new with tags. Style tags, baby, 0 to 3 months. I don't really know what these tags do, to be honest. Christmas, because this was a Christmas bundle. Done. Original price, I'm just going to put in 0. Don't overthink it. And then there's 8 pieces. I think I'm going to price these at $2 a piece. So I think I'm going to price this bundle at $16. Well, they do give me a suggested price. Maybe I'll put 18. Let me go ahead. I'm going to look back at these. Yeah, I think 18 is fine for this bundle based on just where they're not new pieces. And then I hit the next button if you didn't see that, and then I'm going to list it. I'm going to refresh my page, and now you can see that listing is live and available for purchase. Let's go back and do another one. So again, I'm going to hit sell. Now, if I hadn't already uploaded my photos, I could upload them here. But because they're in drafts, I'm just going to go ahead and click drafts. Okay, let's do another one here. So let's click on this one. This was a little bit harder for me to get these 3 pieces in this set. I guess I didn't do a very great job at getting them all in there, but that's okay. I think it'll be just fine. It doesn't need to be perfect, of course. I feel like women's clothes is different, but with kids' clothes, I feel like I've done a lot of shopping for kids' clothes, and it's just not as necessary to get perfect photos. You're just trying to do the best that you can and show more close-ups later. So here again, I'm showing the like amount of wear a little bit closer up and what size. Here's another photo of the backs, and then here's a photo of just the buttons, so detail shot, and then tags. So again, here's a description and title. So 3 to 6 month baby infant 3-piece Christmas clothing bundle, and I go into what the bundle includes. Category, kids. Let's see. Let's go with pajamas on this one maybe, or just 1 pieces. They're all 1 pieces. Done. Size, 3 to 6 months. Brand. I'm going to put Gap for this one because that main piece was a Gap piece. Color, red and blue. Christmas. Baby, and 3 to 6 months. Okay, and then price. I'm going to go a little bit more on this one just because that Baby Gap piece is really a nice piece. So I'm going to price this one probably a little bit higher. So maybe, let's see, or 16. Let's go 16 for the bundle, just based on, they do give you a suggested price, and that's really nice because it gives you a ballpark. I'm going to go kind of in the middle for this, and I'm not trying to make a ton of money off of these items. I just feel like a lot of these items I actually bought used. Maybe my son wore once, and now I'm just recycling them and hoping to maybe buy some more clothes for him or even myself. And refresh my page so I can see it, and there I have 2 bundles live. Right back to my drafts. This was just a snowsuit, so I listed this just by itself and not as a bundle. So this is a Tommy Hilfiger one size blue fleece baby infant snowsuit. Again, there's my little description, my category, kids, jackets, probably coats. It's a puffer, I guess, and done. Let's see what this gets me. So it is a baby. It's a one size, but let's see. That gets a little tricky. So you know what? I'm going to go custom and then just put one size. Next, blue. And it's a snowsuit, winter. And it's suggesting, I'm going to put 20. We'll see. If I get an offer for lower, that's okay. Next, enlist. I really do love that suggested price. Okay, let's look at another one here that I had up. Okay, so here's one more. So this is a 6-month baby infant 4-piece clothing bundle. And here is the description I put in. Category, kids. I'm going to go bottoms with this one just because they're mostly bottoms. Jeans, done. Size, 6-month. You know, I'm going to go 3 to 6 month on this piece just because everything's marked at 6 months, but there wasn't a 6-month option, and I would rather someone buy this and it fits big and then they grow into it than it fits small. Brand, let's see. There was one Crayola piece and then there was a Carhartt piece. I'm going to go with the Carhartt for this one because people are probably searching Carhartt over others. Baby, jeans, Carhartt. Let's see what they suggest. Okay. You know what? I'm going to do 15 for the bundle and then list it. All right. There you can see I already have made 4 listings. That's pretty quick. I mean, I did upload those photos, and when I do listings, I often copy and paste my descriptions. So let me show you that. So here's another Christmas bundle. I have done another Christmas bundle already, so I copied that description, and I can go in here and just make some changes. A lot of this is the same though. It's various brands. It's 0 to 3 month clothing. But let's go see how many pieces I actually had. So there's quite a bit of pieces to this one. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I actually had these 2 as well. So this is a 9-piece bundle. So I will need to change a few things, but I think you can see and get the point. I'm actually just going to save this back to my drafts and come back to this later and then just continue on with the rest of the video. But as you can see, it can go pretty quick.
Lastly, I just want to say, if you're really, really nervous or on the fence because you're like, what happens if I sell something and I have to ship it? Shipping is so simple. It is a flat fee of $7.67, and you can ship up to 5 pounds for that price. And you can use free USPS shipping materials. And I do have some here that I'll show you just so you see. It's so quite simple. So I love using these tie-back mailers. I can pop these right in the mailbox typically. Like if I have a sale in the morning, something comes through, I can just print out the label and just put this in my mailbox. It is that simple. Of course, if there's larger items, I might put them in a box and then take them to the post office. You can even schedule pickups online. Seriously, so easy. All right, I hope you enjoyed seeing the process of listing and selling items on Poshmark. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below, and I'll be happy to try to help you and walk you through any of those unanswered pieces. And of course, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe for more content like this. And of course, I'll see you in the next one.